fourth point of the H block element chapter. Some important compounds. Sodium. Industrial important compound of sodium include sodium carbonate, sodium hydroxides, sodium chloride and sodium bicarbonate. The large scale production of these compounds and their use are described below. Sodium carbonate, washing soda, Na2CO3.10H2O. Sodium carbonate is generally prepared by Solvay process. In this process, advantage is taken of the low solubility of the sodium hydrogen carbonate, whereby it gets precipitate in the reaction of sodium chloride with ammonia hydrocarbonate. The latter is prepared by passing CO2 to a concentration solution of sodium chloride saturated with ammonia, where ammonium saturated with ammonia, where ammonium carbonate followed by ammonium hydrocarbonate hydrocarbonate are formed. The equation of the complete process may be written as C is the chemical process. Then sodium hydrocarbonate crystals separated, they are heated to give sodium carbonate. Then reaction are as follows: 2NHCO3 to form Na2CO3 plus CO2 plus H2O. In this process, NH3 is recovered when the solution containing NH4Cl is treated with CaOH2. Calcium chloride is obtained. Calcium chloride is obtained as byproduct. 2NH4 plus CaOH2 to form 2NH3 plus CaCl2 plus H2O. It may be mentioned here that Solvay process cannot be extended to the manufacture of the potassium carbonate because potassium hydrogen carbonate is too soluble to be precipitated by the addition of ammonium hydrogen carbonate of a saturated solution of potassium chloride. Property: sodium carbonate is a white crystalline solids which exist as decahydrates Na2CO3.10H2O. This is also called washing soda. It is readily soluble in water. On heating, decahydrate loses its water of crystallization to form monohydrates above 273 Kelvin. The monohydrates become completely anhydrous and change to white powder called soda ash. The reaction is Na2CO3.10H2O in temperature 375 Kelvin to form Na2CO3.H2O plus 9H2O. The next reaction is Na2CO3.H2O is less than 373 Kelvin to form Na2CO3 plus H2O. Carbonate part of sodium carbonate gets hydrolyzed by water to form an alkali solution. CO3 to negative plus H2O to form HCO3 negative OH negative. Uses: it is used in water softening, laundering and cleaning. It is used in manufacturing of glass, soap, borax and caustic soda. It is used in paper, paint and textile industry. It is an important laboratory reagent both quantitative and qualitative analysis. Then sodium chloride NaCl. The most abundant source of sodium chloride, seawater, which contains 2.7 to 2.9% by mass of salt in a tropical country Like India, common salt is generally obtained by evaporation of seawater. Approximately 50 lakh tons of salt are produced annually in India by solar evaporation. Crude sodium chloride, generally obtained by crystallization barine solution of a barine solution, uh, contains sodium sulfate, calcium sulfate, calcium chloride and magnesium chloride as impurity. Calcium chloride CaCl2 and magnesium chloride MgCl2 are impurities because they are deliquescents. Deliquescents means absorb moisture easily from the atmosphere. Obtained pure sodium chloride crude salt is dissolved in a minimum amount of water and filtered to remove insoluble impurities. The solution is then saturated with hydrogen chloride gas. Crystal of pure sodium chloride separate out. Calcium and magnesium chloride being more soluble than sodium chloride remaining in a solution. Sodium chloride melt at 1081 Kelvin. It has solubility of 36.0 gram in 100 gram of water at 273 Kelvin. Solubility does not increase appreciably with increase in temperature. Uses: it is used as a common salt or table salt for domestic purpose. Then it is used for the preparation of Na2O2 or NaOH and Na2CO3. Then sodium hydroxide, caustic soda, NaOH. Sodium hydroxide is generally prepared commercially by the electrolysis of sodium chloride. In Kalner shell, a barine solution is electrolysis using a mercury cathode and the carbon anode. Sodium metal discharge at the cathode combine with mercury to form sodium amalgam. Chlorine gas is evolved at the anode. Cathode reaction is Na positive plus electron to form in catalyst HgNa, that is amalgam. Anode reaction is Cl negative to form half Cl2 plus electron. The amalgam sodium hydroxide is a white. The amalgam is treated with water to give sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas to Na, that is amalgam, plus 2H2O to form NaOH plus 2Hg plus H2. Sodium hydroxide is a white translucent solid. It melts at 591 Kelvin. It is readily soluble in water to give a strong alkaline solution. Crystal of sodium hydroxide are deliquescents. Sodium hydroxide solution at a surface react with CO2 in the atmosphere to form Na2CO3. Then its uses: it is used in first the manufacture of soap, paper, artificial silk and a number of chemicals. Second, petroleum refining in the purification of bauxites in the textile industry for the mulching cotton fabric for the preparation of pure fats and oils. Sixth, as a laboratory reagents. Then sodium hydrocarbonate baking soda, NHCO3. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is known as baking soda because it decomposed on heating to generate bubbles of carbon dioxide. In bracket, leaving holes in a cake or pastries, making them light and fluffy, bracket close. Sodium hydrocarbonate is made by saturated solution of sodium carbonate with carbon dioxide. The white crystalline powder of sodium hydrocarbonate being less soluble get inspired out Na2CO3 plus H2O plus CO2 to form 2NaHCO3. Sodium hydrocarbonate is a mild antiseptic for skin infection. It is used in a fire extinguisher.